Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well and thanks for your time. This is Muhammad Umar and I am an international student from Pakistan enrolled in BS Computer Science in International Year 1. Today I am here to represent my recent assessment 1 for object oriented programming. First I have to open my repository. Just wait please, because this is the comparison. Just 1 minute. So these are the two repositories, and on the left side you can see that this is test processing 1 and test processing. So in the documentation, the test processing is ahead here. It includes section comments that walk the reader through key steps, prompting, reading and processing the file. Meanwhile, the test processing 1 has no comments at all. Still, both projects would benefit from a summary comment at the top explaining the overall program purpose. In error handling, text processing also does better in error handling. It checks whether the file exists and gives feedback if it does not. You can see that here the file exists, and if the file is not exist, the file does not exist, there is written. Okay. In text processing 1, on the other hand, has no error check, so if the file is missing or the path is wrong, it just crashes. Neither code handles permission issues or read failures gracefully, so try catch blocks are a recommended addition for both. Naming and structure. Test processing uses descriptive variable names like file path and cleaned line and word count. The word count is here. Here is a word count and cleaned line. While text processing has not so much variables, the variables like Z, Q, and W. Definitely not self-explanatory. On structure, both have everything crammed into the static main method. That's a readability killer. Refactoring into helper methods would be a win for both. And object-oriented programming principles. On object-oriented programming principle wise, neither repo uses classes to encapsulate logic. This is a missed opportunity. Moving the file processing and word counting into separate classes or methods would make the code cleaner, testable, and scalable. So this is an area where both repos need to clean up. And output and logic. Output and program logic. Text processing shines here. It produces sorted, well labeled output, making it easy to read and understand. You can see. And in test processing 1 does output correct results, but the formatting is very raw and hard to digest. Improving layout or sorting would go a long way. And in short, text processing shows better practices in naming, error handling, and output clarity. But both could benefit from refactoring, expectation handling, and applying object oriented programming principle. Text processing 1 needs significant cleaned up to be maintainable. And final, that's the comparison. Thank you so much for your time.